I thought I'd share with you a cleaning product I've been having a lot of success with when it comes to cleaning greasy 124 parts. This area of the front of the car I actually forgot to clean before putting the engine back in. I don't know how that happened, but yeah, it's been something I've been meaning to get to. This is after I've actually cleaned it now. Previously, it was possibly 2 millimeters thick with grease and dirt. And this stuff basically just cuts straight through it. It's not a spray on, hose off kind of arrangement. You do have to agitate it slightly. I just use a toothbrush or a cloth, and I get ridiculously good results. And you don't have to worry about rinsing it off as long as you've sprayed enough to get that grease to come off. You don't even need to rinse it. You just leave it to dry, and it just stays as awesome looking as it does. Unfortunately, I didn't take any shots beforehand, but you just have to take my word for it. It just works so freaking well. And you can see some of the grease that's dropped down on the cardboard there. That's just a demonstration after I've agitated it a bit. It just blasts it straight off. So that's both sides I've done now. I'm pretty happy with the way that is now. The only downside to this, it has a ridiculously strong lemon smell to it. So you end up smelling intoxicatingly lemon fresh. I guess that's okay. It's not as bad as the degreaser I was using, and it doesn't irritate my skin. I don't even need to wear gloves, and the dissolved grease that goes onto my arms just washes off with soap and water. And it also works on this annoying red dirt that sticks on everything in Western Australia. It basically just wipes it straight off. Now this is a smooth surface. For rough textured surface, I don't know what it's going to be like. You may still need to use an alkaline cleaner to get that off, like I did to the entire underside of the 124. But that did dissolve half of my skin off as well. This is a much safer solution. And of course it's not dissolving my lungs at the same time. And I am not a shill for this company. I don't make anything by recommending this. I'm just showing you something that I've been quite happy with, and is always going to be in my trolley now because it's so damn cheap, and it's working on something it was never intended to be used for. I hope other Australians can have the same success I have. I've even cleaned the interior of the engine bay with this. Even when my steering pump was removed for the second time and I spilt fluid everywhere, I just sprayed this in the general area and everything just washed away.